Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to the channel. So you're hunting for a Hostinger coupon code, smart move, because hosting can get expensive fast. But here's something most people don't realize. While everyone else is settling for a 10% discount they found on some random website, there's actually a 20% discount available and I'm going to show you exactly how to grab it. The coupon code I've shared in the description below is not your average deal. It's set up to automatically apply the full 20% discount. The second you click the link, no manual entry needed. It's fully functional across all countries and even adjusts to your local currency. So it doesn't matter where you are based. When you land on Hostinger's official website, navigate to the products and services section from the top navbar. This is where you will find their full lineup: cloud hosting, shared web hosting, the website builder, and their business email service. For this walkthrough, I jumped into the VPS hosting plans, which come in 4 tiers: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I went ahead with the KVM2 plan, and sure enough, at checkout, that 20% discount was applied automatically without me doing a single extra thing. Pro tip: use a brand new email address when signing up, one that's never been linked to a Hostinger account before. This keeps the offer valid and glitch free. If this helped you out today, show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. It genuinely means a lot. Catch you in the next video.